Let's talk semiotics. Semiotics is the bread and butter of this class. It's the foundation. Everything else that we're going to be learning for the rest of this class is built on it. Emojis, hieroglyphics, cave drawings, you name it. It's all centered and going to be built on the study of semiotics. Semiotics is the study of signs. What kind of signs, you ask? All kinds. But in this class, we're going to break it down into three big different types of signs. Okay? The first one is called iconic. The second is indexical, and the third is symbolic. So we're gonna have symbolic signs, indexical signs, and iconic signs. It is crucial that you learn these three in this module because we're gonna be referring to them over and over and over again for the rest of this class. So what even is a sign, you ask? We're gonna break it up into two different elements. One is the signifier. That is the thing that we are using to show and represent something else. The other is the signified. That is the thing being represented, the thing that we're talking about, the thing, and it is a thing, because it could be a person, place, or idea, and often is an idea. How do we represent this thing? How do we represent something like murder? How do we represent something like love, or passion, or peace? What do we use to indicate and represent and share these things with people? Within our society, within our culture, and most importantly, within other cultures. Let's see if we can find the three different types of signs on campus. You ready? Let's go. What about words? Words themselves are a type of sign. Which type? Words are symbolic, because symbolic signs need to be taught via your culture. Symbolic signs are inherited. Symbolic signs are passed down. They're learned through your culture, through your family, through society. Otherwise, they would have no meaning outside of them. This doesn't inherently mean peace. We've been taught this means peace. Therefore, we recognize it as peace. Words themselves are symbolic because there's nothing inherently about the types of letters up here that actually mean the thing that's scribbled on the wall. Let's jump into this a little bit more.